Hi, this is Mark Cerzano. I'm a professional piano technician, and I've created a video course with the help of Barry Bradshaw, who wrote the book How to Earn $200,000 a Year Tuning Pianos. It works. I've checked it out. I've used some of the techniques that are in the book, and it works. This video course that we created is going to be offered for $27 a month. That's all. But only today. That's it. That's it. Only today. Barry and I believe that the information in this book will help people make more money tuning pianos. But we're not going to kill ourselves making this course if nobody wants it. So today is it. Today is the last day. If we don't get enough people signing up for this course, that's it. I am done trying to help people make money tuning pianos. I'm just going to give up. I'm not making this video course. So if you want to make more money tuning pianos, are you going to do it on your own? Are you just going to scramble? Well, you have a choice. You can scramble and fumble and try to figure it out like I did for 15 years. Then I take his book and I read it. Already I make $200 in one day. $200 extra in one day just by reading his book. And we're offering this to you as a video course where you get contact with Barry, live contact with him during Zoom calls, where you can figure out what problems you're having, get solutions for them, and make money. Now, if you pay $27 a month and you have the option of making even $200 more, that's almost 10% return on your investment every month. 10% on your money. And that's the minimum. That's the minimum. If Barry had tuned pianos, he would have made $86,000 a year. That's it. But since he uses these techniques, he makes $165,000 take home. Take home. $200,000 earning for the company, $165,000 take home. That's double your money, doubling your money just by following these simple ideas in this book. Now, this book isn't just about ideas, specific procedures and scripts and such. It's about a mindset, a way of thinking. If you start thinking the way Barry is asking you to think in this book, the sky is the limit. Today is the last day. Today is the last day for us offering this course at this ridiculously low price, $297 lifetime membership or $27 a month. After today, it's gone. It's not coming back. In fact, the whole video course will be canned if we don't have people who are interested. Why would we bother spending time, making an effort, trying to help people if they don't want to be helped? So that's what's happening. Today is the last day. If you want this course, if you even want to send a message, it'll cost you $27 just to send a simple message to us saying, hey, I think this is a good idea. People need to learn how to make more money, make good decisions to help them be more successful as a piano tuner. If you think that, just sign up for $27. 1 month, cancel, even ask for a refund. But just send the message that this is something that you want. Because if people don't want this, we're not making it. End of story. Last day, $27 a month or $297 for lifetime access to the video course, How to Earn $200,000 a Year Tuning Pianos.